As long as I got you, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to sort of show you my evening routine. This is a very spontaneous video. I've literally just thought of it and thought before I take the makeup off I'll show you my evening routine. So it's currently about 5:30, and I would say that's when my evening routine starts to sort of take place. So yeah, I'm going to first take my makeup off, which means I need my hairband to get my hair off my face. So yeah, I like to take my makeup off basically as soon as I can. So normally when I'm like at college or at school, I would come straight home and take my makeup off and wash my face, just because it feels like it's been on all day and I just want to get into comfies and take my makeup off. So to take my makeup off, or mainly my eye makeup, I use the Garnier micellar water and a cotton wool pad. Pretty self-explanatory, but I hold it on while just because it softens the mascara and it sort of prevents my lashes from falling out. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like at the moment the days seem to go quite quick. Like by the time I get up and have breakfast and then do my daily exercise and I don't know, it's just the day goes. Some days are quite like long, but I suppose as well, I think filming and thinking of ideas and editing does sort of keep me preoccupied. So that's why I'm just kind of glad in a way that I have this passion, and it's like almost like it was meant to be, because I had this period of time where I'm so lucky to just sort of start filming, and doing YouTube is something I've wanted to do for such a long time. It feels kind of weird. If I were to take my face makeup off, I use makeup wipes. I don't really know why I use two different things. I suppose it's kind of just easier to take my face off with this. I don't know. And then I'll wash my face. So if you would have seen my morning routine, which I posted today, don't know when this one's going to go out, but I use the same products to wash my face in the morning as I do in the evening, but I'll show you how I like to wash my face if I can prop you up in the bathroom somehow. So to wash my face I use the simple face wash, and I first use a flannel to get rid of any excess makeup, and then I use my hands as a second cleanse to wash my face and then rinse it. Use it, wash my face over the bath. So I go around in circular motions just to get rid of as much makeup as I can. I don't really like filming without makeup on, but this is realistic. Okay, and then I'm using the Simple Face Toner, facial toner, to A, add some moisture, and B, get rid of anything that could be left on. I'm very paranoid that there is, and I don't want that because it's bad for your skin. And then I just use the simple lightweight moisturiser. So I'm now going to get into my comfy pyjamas, and yeah, that's my skincare done. Literally the best part of the day is getting into my dressing gown, especially because even though I'm at home and I could be wearing my dressing gown all the time, I like to force myself into a hoodie or something that's not my pyjamas, so that it helps to create a distinction between sort of the day and the night, and it makes me more productive. And there's a whole other video that I will link down below where I talk about that in more detail. So in a minute I'm probably going to go on the exercise bike. I'll go on it for about 20-25 minutes. I've already been on it once this morning, and then I've been for a walk, but I like to do a little bit of movement in the evening. And then I will have my tea at about 7:30. Thursday's the best night of the week because it's chip night. So I'm going to have chicken and chips with salad. It'll be really, really lovely, and I'll show you just a little clip of that. I won't be able to talk much because, again, my family's all home and I'm a shy YouTuber. So I'm going to go downstairs now, probably do a little bit of editing or help my mum in the kitchen, and then yeah, I'll see you in a minute. So I just finished up on the bike, and then it's about 20 minutes away from my tea being ready, so I'm going to help as best as I can in the kitchen, and then yeah, and then after that I'll probably have a cup of tea with some chocolate. I'll show you that, and yeah, that's kind of my evening routine. I'll just sit and chill in front of the TV, probably watch some Netflix on my iPad. I'm catching up on 13 Reasons Why at the moment because I want to watch the 3rd series, but I've forgotten it all, so I'm rewatching it before I do that. So yeah. So I just thought I'd do a bit of a voiceover for this bit because it doesn't really make any sense. But basically I made cupcakes earlier on in the week, and then I decided to freeze them just because we don't eat them, and I didn't want them to go off. So in the bowl I've got a tablespoon of icing sugar with half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Just mix it in with a little bit of water. It's quite runny because the cakes are a bit uneven, so I just thought it'd be easier to decorate. And then I'm just putting on some like hundreds and thousands like sprinkle sort of things. They're really good. They don't look as good as they tasted. I had a little dish of Jude's like low calorie ice cream. It's so good. And then on top I just have a bit of banana and some like leftover icing from the cakes. That was my evening routine. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye guys.
As long as I got you.